have never worn crochets, you guys. This is the one style I have never, ever, ever worn. All right. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. All right, so let's go through that checklist real quick, all right, before we move on. If you want to know all about this hair, how I got this style, go ahead and stay tuned. I wanted to start showcasing Black-owned companies this month, and I'm going to start with Silky Saks. I'm wearing my edge scarf from it. So check out Silky Saks, the luxurious way to store your wigs. Now on to my review of this hair from Styled by Kels. Okay, so this is a short crochet passion twists unit, you guys. It's mostly 1B black, and it has a few hints of 27 blonde, all right? This unit was $85, and it was $6 shipping, so the total was $91, all right? Okay, so this unit is from a Black-owned company, you guys. It's a Black-owned braider, and she is called Styled by Kels, I think her name is. Styled by Kels, all right? And so I have never worn crochets, you guys. This is the one style I have never, ever, ever worn, all right? By the time crochets were getting popular, I was well into wigs, all right? I was not checking for it. And so when I saw this particular unit, I was like, that's gorgeous. That looks so realistic. And so I was like, let me go ahead and try it. And then when I saw the price sold me, all right? The price sold me, you guys. I cannot believe I got this for $91. I really like the way it looks on me. You know, I think it looks great on, I'm like, wait a minute. Because I think it's super duper cute. It looks so good, don't you think? And let's get into the pros and cons, okay? So a pro would be, I feel like it looks extremely realistic, okay? I feel like people would really think that I got my hair crocheted. I think they will probably question if this is a wig. I don't know, you tell me. I love the construction of it. I think it's constructed very, very well. The price was really, really, really good, you guys. It was quick shipping. Shipping was fast. I can't remember exactly what her turnaround was because I think she makes units made to order. But I know that her turnaround was pretty fast. Oh, another pro would be it's a side part because I'm a side part type of girl. I think I look better with the side part. And so I really am feeling that. Another pro about this unit is she sent me the completed version of my unit in a video before she sent it out. She wanted to make sure that I was satisfied with what I was getting. I really appreciate that, because she sent me the short clip. She sent me 2 short clips of a video of my unit, and then once I confirmed that, yeah, this is exactly what I wanted, then she shipped it out. Customer service, A1, on point. Her quality is really good as well. I looked on her site, on her page and everything, and I looked to see some of the other units she's created, and her quality is like really good based on the images and the pictures that I saw. I was so impressed that I was even going to order another unit like immediately. Even before I got this unit in hand, I was about to order another one, but I was like, wait a minute, just calm down. Let's just get this unit first. Try it on, see how it looks, see if you like it, see what's up with it. You can order another one, you know, from her. Clearly, most likely I'm probably gonna order another one from her. Some cons. Well, there are really not that many cons, honestly. You know, I mean, it's not really a con, honestly. I had to manipulate the parting space, but that's not really a con. Honestly, I think one thing that's bothering me is the hair keeps coming on my face. It's really thick and big, and I'm not really that used to really big hair, but it's something I can get used to. You know, it's something I just have to play around with and, you know, get comfortable with my hair being this big. I think the fact that it's like always in my face is kind of bothering me a little bit. That's a con a little bit for me, to see if I can wear it as a middle part. I don't know, because the parting is looking like a little curved, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to wear it as a middle part. Really have never tried crochets, and I think they look, it's very complimentary. And now I see why so many women used to get them, or they still do get them, you know, because I think it's absolutely beautiful. Another pro is that she included some of these hair jewels and stuff in it. You know, I really appreciate that. Another pro, it was so easy to apply, you guys. It was literally, it wasn't quite a plop on and go, but it really took less than 10 minutes. I don't know if this particular unit is big head friendly, but if you order from her, I'm sure she can customize it to your head size. This is it. This is it, you guys. Another black owned company. I have to bring them to you. Affordable and cute. Alright, so that's pretty much all that I have for today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I am going to leave all of her information in the description bar. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel, you guys. I will see you in another one. Take care.